Shaneil Muir answer to critics in her new song. So if you remember what day I make a video about her, you know what I mean, and she a talk about people that talk about she for do her body, well she answer about it in a new song. Me I go show you that coming up, right? But me I go show you how lyrical this girl is. She bad people. You see me? So me I go show you all of that after me show you her new tattoo what she a get.
Tattoo time come. Talk to me, lava.
Me see the tattoo?
See there?
They say there. So what you put on it, sir?
You don't know? Time of the master, yeah. With a little design. Yeah, I know the big bad peckers in the building.
Big up yourself.
Yeah, man. Big bad tattoo artist, two artists in the building.
So you're not hurt you?
Huh?
You're not hurt you?
I used to it by now.
Oh.
Number one, trending topic. Attention to detail, everything microscopic. New post truck, man a pushing at the traffic.
There's no question about it if Shaneil Muir are one of the fastest rising dancehall artists right now. You see me? You know already hear Yamabella, you know hear 3D, you know hear the song what she have with Denique and all of the rest of them. You see me? I say she bad people. You see me? I say she prove herself. And we all know if you follow her on Instagram and you go on her live every day, you get a new song you have to say. You get freestyle on the spot. You get, it's just, she does versatile people. She does well bad. Now, this past weekend, she was in DC and she was in New York. So, she said big up all our fans them at DC and all our fans them at New York. But I don't know how really good on New York. But she said she has some difficulties. But big up the people them will stick around and stay to see her performance. So, we want to big up on herself. But anyway, she and Lava have a conversation. And Lava does a talk about him cologne and thing. And in the middle of the talking, hear what she say. Hear tune people. Hear what I go on.
Mr. Jesus Christ. I'm start going. Right.
I come put it in passcode. Pussy no busy like I don't a crossroad. Lava me say me pum pum jealous. Start me up quick and fast. Time too hot me now put on draws. Pum pum tight, papa fast. Fucking on no crime, them can't lock off dance. Firms run up in a belly and one go fast start. Baby upon when they go part off. Body in a bed, me bad no rascal. Ride off food dead no like fit talk. Yeah, me tell him say, put a icky pa me neck right there so. Bust like pipe, baby, apply pressure. Down in a me belly, better say you find your job, baby. And no be nearly knocky, make it take off. So me love it when him rough it up and push it up and mama fail it. Tight pussy grip, cocky and quiz it. My G go raw dog and braid it. Pussy boss, me still love you, though.
Manalai, shut, manalai, shut and
Lava.
Well, I know, man, people, no hear nothing yet. This is just the warm-up segment. You saw me, I say, early part I dance this. You see me? So don't forget, so me telling you, you know, say she addressed the thing where people are talking about she figure do her body. She actually put that in our song, lyrically. You see me? I want to know hear it, and I go be just as amused as how my sound right now. Because may I tell you, that just out of this world, like, just mind-blowing. Boom, right? They say, you see what I say, the way how she put it together, and it makes sense. Now, the next song where she a go sing, she a sing it pan a rhythm. And Lava, you know what I mean, compare her to Vybz Kartel. I want to know say she rate Vybz Kartel. She already have a song with Vybz Kartel. You see me? The song called Loyal. Me no want to know it still. But let's get into the next song. Me go show you how the artist bad. Here goes.
You ready now? Alright, then. Cover me stand up on the firm strong, cocky big cocky long, cocky firm strong. Big good me want me to like when the clash she love who me love bad man. Me love it when him beat it up and bust Victoria's Secret. My man him don't eat pum pum so him get a girl to eat it. Calm down. Really want to really I get. Me not bisexually I joke me and make him a pay feet. Anything my man want him get him now fi hide not straight feet. Pum pum pat up and just get all in there. It one man cause it to come in there. Cause some girl pum pum plan it fit cause everybody walk and run in there. He's out at them but the lyrical but that me doubt it. Anything you hear me sing for redeem and me round it. Me I know how them. Me say trend, me a real top girl, just tell them that then alright. Man I like some style, some girl fuck to them pum pum while alright then. Me now fi ask some girl woulda share me pum pum talk alright then. Lava tell me why you just here. Talk to me, my dear.
This my ear. This my ear. This my ear. Listen to this. You want to hear this? Listen to this. Listen.
Badman, look man, then fly in your rock, man. Fire fan, man, plus man,
Wanna see her reaction when time him play the Vibes Cartel. Wanna see how she react to it. Cause she say, yo, Lava de pan pint. No, him know say she listen whole heap of Vibes Cartel. I can tell the way how she flow. You know what I mean? The lyrical composition and all them thing there. You know see a Vibes Cartel kind of make that popular in a dancehall. So you can tell the artists them were influenced by Vibes Cartel. Now the next thing what I like with her, you know she US based. So she a mention like in her song Yamabella she talk about Didi's, which is a store in the US. You see what I say? I think a Florida she there, so I think Florida store them. You see what I say? And she talk about Macy's. We all know about Macy's, you see me? But in that song them here she talk about Planet Fitness. She said some girl something coming like Planet Fitness cause be a man walk and run in there, right? And that is a gym. You see me? Planet Fitness gym them. So we definitely see she a pattern that where she talk about, you know what I mean, our environment, the thing them where she live round. You know, the places them where she go for real and them way there. Big her up for that, you know what I mean? I love that. Now people, for the part where we all been waiting for, where me I telling her she do the song and I talk about the people them where I talk about she figure do her body. You see what I say? When they do the video, I mean I tell you people I ask her if she pregnant and then some people I ask her about surgery business. So she really and truly sit down and meditate and go and say, boom, you know, say, me go put this in our song. Before she sing the song, she say, she not take out her problem from people. She not come and talk. She could put it in her music. So people, without any further ado, listen to that song. Yeah. Here goes.
You know, say, the people them been attack, what they? But me not answer to negativity. Me just sing things in a song.
What am I talk, sir? What am I talk, sir?
Lava guess on a man.
All right then.
Them want tell you how to talk and how to dress and how to sleep with. No want to elevate them, feel like them alone for do it big, but so them judge you by your skin. But being black, I want me comfortable in, so tell me if you don't. Tell me if you don't, them still a got talk and lift me no provoke them.
True.
My life is an open book. Me stand firm anyway, me put me foot, cause them I use me for click date. And if you think you bad, just make a mistake, yeah. But me no press button, and me no make trouble. Me put God first, cause my journey a big faith. Them can't pull and press me like trigger. I fi move private as a public figure, cause me not shine in a lip race. But if I pussy this a quick case, me a tell you lava. Show me no do me body, them say me no look good. Them can't pressure this a party taffy cook good. The 6 grand me woulda take a purchase it from, but it's in a pro box down a yard no look good. Listen to me, no man, lava.
Pussy club.
Big up
No.
Big up yourself, lava.
No.
Big up yourself, lava.
People, Lava say want to hear it back. I wonder if you want to hear it back too. Because me I telling you the tune, tough people. Same kind of concept like Yamabella. And this just found naturally when you can tell you know. Because remember say about less than 5 days ago people attacked this you know. And already I sang this you know like she just have the rhythm. And she just use the energy. You see me? All that negativity where the gear towards her. She just use it and just make a song. You see me? So, me I go make you hear it back. But me just show no people the same concept like Yamabella was to say she not bad in a lace wig and them thing there. Same thing she has say she now go put on body and hip. She rather take her money and buy a pro box. You see me? And she specifically say 6 grand. So she know how much it costs. So Lava say money pull up. So here we go on. And listen carefully this time. Here goes. Listen to tune.
Talent over hype in a Lava.
Me you go on.
Man I know about hype. One put a big up yourself. Them want tell you how to talk and how to dress and how to sleep with. No want to elevate them, feel like them alone for do it big, but so them judge you by your skin. But being black, I want me comfortable in, so tell me if you don't, tell me if you don't. Them still a go talk, all if me no provoke them. But my life is an open book. Me stand firm anyway, me put me foot, cause them I use me for click date. And if you think you bad, just make a mistake, yeah. But me no press button, and me no make trouble. Me put God first, come a journey of big faith. Them can't pull and press me like trigger. Me have to move private as a public figure. Them can't in a late praise. Cause if a pussy this a quick case, me a tell you no lava. Show me no me body, them say me no look good. Them can't pressure this a party toffee cook good. This 6 grand me woulda take a purchase it from, but it's in a pro box tongue a yard don't no look good. And that we don't know everything you see you follow live to impress people, so you can't make a dollar. All who know should not glad. Say me born in a manners, otherwise me woulda tell you suck your mother. Them a use them to click date.
We see people get viral hit and turn it in a big hit song, you know. I'm sure 100% if she do that song upon the same rhythm, yeah, a hit song this. You see me, I say, more than likely I saw it a go. Because remember now, when you hear it for yourself, you know. So, when you tell me if I foolishness, me I chat in the comment section. And the tune them when me I talk about like Munga tune, Mad Over Girl. Remember saying this thing that before, you know. You saw me I say, and then he goes to boom and record that, and that was a big hit. So, I kind of feel like I see him think this. But people, you know, I end that video that, so if it's your first time on this channel and you like this video, please go ahead and subscribe. If you just subscribe, welcome to this channel. For all my long-time subscribers, thank you for being here. Keep on liking, sharing, and commenting. So have a wonderful day and night or whatever time it is, wherever you are. Artist bad, me I tell you, man. She too tough. You wanna big up on yourself? I'm out.
We got Diamond in my AP. Dancehall IG. Atina. Excuse me. Dancehall IG. Rich. Punk. Should know. Tento Blacks. Yadi!